All right, everyone. Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my microphone test video of the microphones on the ACANDYA X Series truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. So, starting off the test, here's an example of what the audio sounds like coming through the microphones on the headphones in an ideal or close to ideal as I can get it environment. Okay? Now, what I have for everyone is I have some crowd noise pulled up on my computer in the background. Can't use my Roku anymore because my Roku broke previously, so we gotta use my computer. And for reference, my computer is hooked up to my TV, and my TV is set to 18% volume, and the computer is set to 100% volume. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push play. I'm gonna let the crowd noise play for a little bit, and I'm gonna continue to talk at my normal volume, at my normal cadence, and we'll see how the microphones on these headphones perform in a crowdy or simulated noisy environment. All right, so here we go. Let me push play. Okay, we're gonna let this play for a little bit. All right, that should be good. And now here's an example of the microphone performance on the ACANDYA X Series True Wireless Bluetooth headphones in a simulated, noisy, or cloudy environment. Hopefully it sounds good. I won't really know until I watch the video back in post. All right? Let me know what you guys and gals think down below in the comments below. All right, let's go ahead and stop the test here. All right, let me pause the crowd noise. And now we're back to an ideal or close to ideal as I can get it noise free environment. All right. So this pretty much concludes the microphone test for the ACANDYA X Series truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. Now, real quickly before I get up out of here, I just want to let everyone see and know how this whole video is set up. So recording the video here today, I'm using a combination of the front and rear facing cameras on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Today's video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS, and we do have Bluetooth audio hooked up. And I am using a third-party camera to capture the Bluetooth audio. All right. So you guys and gals, let me know how the microphones on these headphones perform and how the overall video and audio quality of the headphones and the cameras on the iPhone 13 Pro Max is. Okay, all your feedback is greatly appreciated down below in the comments. Remember to keep your comments respectful, please. All right. That being said, as always, if you like to see any more of my extended coverage, I'll link up all of my extended coverage down below in the video description. So down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. And also, I'll throw up some B-roll in the video and post so you guys and gals can see exactly how this video was set up. All right, and I'll throw that up now. So you can see all I did was connect the headphones to my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and then I went ahead and jumped into the third-party camera application, and I verified that it was using the audio from the headphones. Then I verified and set the audio from my computer and TV in terms of volume, and then I just went ahead and spun the camera to the front facing camera and push record on this video. That's how I set up today's video. All right, everyone, that does it for this one. Again, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. I hope everyone's having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everyone. We're out of here. Peace.